Are your operations as profitable as they could be? Protecting revenue is only part of our offering. Real profit comes from performance, efficiency, and smart strategy. That's where we come in. At Venners, we're operational specialists with over 125 years of hands-on experience. Our consultants work alongside your team to uncover inefficiencies, reduce risk, and unlock new opportunities for growth. We'll help you streamline stock processes to drive productivity and increase revenue. By investigating money trails, we can tighten policies and tackle potential fraud. Not only that, we will assess team performance to highlight pain points and spot missed opportunities, all the while keeping your business organised with accurate, up-to-date asset catalogues. You can bring us in to solve a specific challenge or retain us for ongoing strategic consultancy. Either way, we embed ourselves across your operation, from front to back of house, to deliver evidence-based solutions grounded in real-time data and decades of operational know-how. We focus on the big wins. And we don't just advise. We are with you every step of the way as you implement the changes that drive real improvement. Venners Profit Consultancy transforms insight into action so you can run a leaner, smarter, and more profitable operation now and in the future.